it's Tracy from Entrepreneur Girl, and today we are going to have a fun day shopping at IKEA. I am kind of a weird psycho IKEA fanatic. I swear I know how that place is inside and out. Like, I designed it myself because I love it so much. So today I'm dragging hubby along, and that's no easy feat because he is totally camera shy. I'm very social and outgoing, and he's very introverted. And so the fact that we are doing that, like, he doesn't even know yet. We're just gonna go, we're gonna drag him, we're gonna have some fun, and I'm gonna teach you all of my favorite hacks on IKEA to use with your e-commerce business, and we're gonna do that today. IKEA.
You're gonna have me with IKEA. I don't even know what you're talking about. IKEA where? I don't see any IKEA.
Oh yeah. I don't know. Where's IKEA?
It's like Disney.
I know.
Where am I supposed to park?
It's us.
You're not in parking.
You have to remember. Look, they even have H. You have to remember your lot.
That looks nice.
Look at that.
Where's the real front door?
Angels are singing. Yes, entrance. I don't think I've been to this one. I think I've just been to the Miami one a few times.
No way. You were up here with somebody for a day.
Kayla. You're right.
Yeah. No, I don't think I've been here before.
This whole thing?
I don't think I've ever been to Bass Pro.
This is old. I don't think I've been here. Okay, we have come prepared for the IKEA trip. Refusing to get out of the car. You must go to IKEA now. Against your will. Oh, stop. Such a faker. Are you feeling motivated?
No.
Energetic?
How about you? Those people actually ran.
I did a video about it. Hi, thank you.
When have I ever been here before?
I don't, I'm just shocked that you've never been to an IKEA before.
10 years ago. No.
I'm just mortified. I like this gray couch. No, it's not. Your wall color is almost black. I learned about your wall color when I painted with it. There's nothing I don't like about IKEA.
We're so bad at this It is like they're making me go places when I want to run.
Look at that furniture. And that.
Shortcut. Dang
There's no
it.
shortcut.
Go that way
too bad we
around.
already passed it.
We did not. What, the shortcut? Oh yeah. No, it's right there.
Oh, but we need to go to bedrooms.
So we go there, we're in, instead of all of this. Look, it's
Yeah, my mom is looking for something like this, and these are really good prices. And then you could buy the baskets for $14.99. So you just barely tap it and the trash opens. And you tap it and it shuts. So if your hands are full, man, I'm in love. And look at this ginormous farmhouse sink. $299. This cute little faucet, $119. Look at that. I'm in love. Custom kitchen. cool. Hold on, I'll show you the whole thing. Oh, that's even, I wonder if it's the stove.
Picture that. That same hood has been in a couple of other pictures.
There's one down. So you to pull it on your head. The arrows again. Are you coming? These are always good on Amazon. As I've shown in the previous video. $14.99.
How much?
$14.99.
That is good. Does this mean we're done with our stuff?
You always need to go downstairs. Such a good price. Made in Thailand, made in China. I really thought they made everything in Sweden.
Want to put coffee? Stay hot.
Pink plates. Looks like the Harry Potter movie.
That one looks like.
And you pull them out of the ground and they go, wah, and they cry.
That one is. Yeah. What are those called?
I don't remember.
It's actually another red color. Now we can define it more. Hey, Mel Driver. Photoshop them up.
If I could whistle, I totally would. good price. So you're a builder. What do you think of IKEA?
Cheap Chinese stuff.
It's not Chinese.
It is. Everything we picked up is made in China. All of it. Swiss marketing or Swedish, whatever.
Design. You have to admit you were impressed with the prices.
Well, yeah, on some stuff, on such straps, nobody can touch them.
So you like the ratchet straps at IKEA?
It's the best part. That's what I live for.
Bye. Bye, IKEA. I think IKEA rocks.
Let me put this in first gear. See if I can.
It's dark now, so you know we must have been there a while.